Hey y'all, welcome back to the House of Organic Beauty. Hey guys, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So right now I'm rinsing out my, well, not rinsing, but I'm going to wash my oldest daughter's hair with my DIY shampoo bar. This is my first time making a shampoo bar. So I hope it moisturizes her hair and not strip it too much. But I'll give you guys an update at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So yeah, this shampoo is made with melt and pour as the base. I think I used like the shea butter melt and pour, the aloe vera melt and pour, and some other stuff. I made this soap a while ago, well, the shampoo bar a while back. I don't really remember how I made it, but it has African black soap in it, some essential oils, and I think some butters in it as well. So if you guys would like to know or see how I made this shampoo bar, please leave a comment down below. Right here, I just went in straight with the deep conditioner. I'm using the Shea Moisture Manuka and Honey. So, no lie guys, the shampoo bar had her hair feeling dry. Like when I said dry, Sahara Desert dry. So, of course, I'm going to have to tweak it a little bit to get like more moisture into the shampoo bar, but that's okay, trial and error. So right now I'm going to be using my DIY leave-in conditioner that I made. I will be having videos in the future showing how I make these conditioners, and I just make them for fun. So stay tuned. So this is one of the leave-in conditioners that I made. This one is made out of aloe and fenugreek seeds. I am going to try 3 different conditioners in her hair just to see what her hair really likes. So yeah, stay tuned. And again, I will be showing, having videos in the future showing how I make these conditioners, okay? So don't worry. just pulling all of the twists into a ponytail so it can be stretched out for the next style that I'm going to do. Not sure when I'm going to do it, but it'll be stretched out when I do. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to share. Have a good one. Be blessed.